Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focused file, open Keynote and pick a theme that fits the delivery, 16:9 if presenting on widescreen. Once chosen, set slide size, transitions, and enable presenter notes so you control timing. This matters for pacing. Next, import your assets, images, fonts, and a slide master to lock branding. Do this early to avoid rework. Consistent styles save time later. Make sure your images are optimized and fonts are licensed. Then move to building your opening slides. Now you construct the core of the presentation. Use master slides for headings, body content, and section dividers so every slide aligns visually. This speeds editing. Add text, charts, and tables in logical blocks, and employ alignment guides and smart spacing to maintain rhythm. Then, apply transitions and set build order for each element. This controls how information appears and prevents cognitive overload. Once done, play the slideshow to test pacing and revise animations, finish by rehearsing the entire slideshow with presenter display and notes. This reveals pacing issues and lets you trim content. Once satisfied, export using the appropriate format. Use Key for edits, PDF for handouts, QuickTime for a locked video, or PowerPoint if sharing with others. Make sure fonts are embedded or outlined and that linked media is included, otherwise slides can break. If something goes wrong, reopen the master to correct global issues and re-export. Most errors trace back to unembedded fonts or missing files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.